Once again, welcome back to eDuxi. Today we'll try to cover a little bit about Somali and word order in Somali language. What I mean word order in Somali language is that it's very important one must understand the word mood classifier. The mood classifier usually covers wa. In Somali we call this wa, and it is a positive classifier. Once you are able to understand a mood classifier, you will be able to put together a sentence in Somali language. For example, now here we got the sentence in English. It's a man went. But in Somali, as you can see, the subject always is the same. Nin wa tegay. That's how you read it. Nin wa tegay. Let me try to write down here. Nin, N-I-N, wa tegay. Okay? Nin wa tegay. So if you really look at it here in English, it's only a man went, right? A man went. So there's only almost three words here. A man went. But in Somali, the word wa puts the whole sentence in a positive mode. Okay, it puts positive mode. Okay, and this, remember, it's mostly used for masculine. So this wa, sometimes it can be used as feminine, but most of the time it's positively used for masculine. So again, a mood classifier in Somali language is positive classifier. That means wa. There are a lot of times that one gets very confused on how to put a sentence. Now, as you can see, this mood classifier, it's generally comes after the subject. So after the subject, so the subject is man, nin, that means man. It comes after the subject. For example, nin wa. Okay, this is subject, this is mood classifier. It comes after the subject. Now the rule of thumb for the mood classifier is that it comes as close to the verb as possible. So now the verb is here wa tegay. Okay, it comes close as positive, wa tegay. So it makes the whole sentence into a positive. It puts a positive mood. Okay, it puts a positive classifier. So as you can see now, the word wa, it changes a lot of things in Somali language. So again, how do you pronounce this in Somali? Nin, this is how we say nin wa tegay. Okay, wa tegay. This is the way that you pronounce in Somali is te gay, te gay, te gay. Okay, that's how you read in Somali. Nin, and this is how you read is nin. This is very straightforward, so it shouldn't be any problem. Nin, that means man. Tegay, that means went. Okay, so those are the two main things. Now and this is, as we have explained, is mood classifier. And what's a mood classifier? It is a positive classifier. It puts a positive mode into the sentence. Nin waa tegay. Okay, so that's very important that one can distinguish that. The next time when I come back to our small tutoring in Somali language, I will try to elaborate this mood classifier a little bit longer, so at least one can understand how to apply in Somali language. I hope this will help you as a Somali learner. Either you are Somali native who have born or raised in diaspora, or a new Somali language learner who will like to learn the Somali language. I will be happy to add more lessons into this YouTube short videos, and any comments is appreciated. Again, this program is brought to you by Eduxi. Thank you very much. Okay.